Hello, you all. I am Seth from AI Labs. A few weeks ago, you probably remember this guy, right? Soham. He was a developer. He was actually like having 4, 5, 6 jobs with different startups at the same time. He had the audacity to go into TVPN and say like, "Hey, yeah, I did that. I needed the money. I'm sorry." I mean, we have all been there, so no problem at all. But what it did is that it untapped a bunch of other fake synthetic profiles just rambling around the world, right? And not only in the HR tech businesses, also for whatever industry. You can have them in financial institutions, you can have it in medical institution, insurance company, even car loan, those car loans, small car loans companies. You have fake accounts. And since a couple of months ago, before Soham even, we were working with an HR company. They had a lot of synthetic and fake accounts that were flooding their CRM, and I got obsessed with the problem. And we developed Identra back then, and it got me thinking like, where does this happen? And I found out in other industries, and then I thought about, does that happen to us? And the reality is that it does. We have all been there, right? We have all also that we receive like this sorts of emails, or we receive this sorts of text, right? Text messages that are urging you to click on the link and hey, you want this, you want that, you are actually a winner. And most of the times you can flag them. You can say, hey, this email, I don't know, this phone number, it's like strange. But sometimes you're like, this is my bank. Like it's my bank phone number. They actually got the 4 last digits of my account correctly, and it makes you doubt yourself, and you just rush to your bank app and actually think like, thank God I didn't transfer like $1,000 to whatever person, right? And I was thinking like, hey, why don't we actually also solve this for the end user, for the real humans, for you and me? And besides Identra, last night I just vibe coded this. It's a very simple app that it allows you to upload, for example, this Apple Pay review requisition. You can copy paste the text or just screenshot the conversation. This is an SMS. And what this will do is that it will think as a human in that same human evaluation patterns that we do as human beings, day-to-day basis, and let you know after a couple of seconds, like, hey, we think this is fake, we think this is not fake, or proceed with caution. We're not 100% real. And for example, for this text, after it analyzes it, just wait a couple of seconds more, here it is, it's going to be a high risk, right? It's going to tell us, hey, this is a fraudulent communication. This is the process I took. I had a suspicious gut feeling. I then did some additional evaluations, and what I recommend you to do is do not call the number and verify directly with Apple. This is something that is happening to every one of us. And with GenAI, fraud and fraud rings, they are getting smarter and they're getting faster. And what used to be a very simple to detect text message or SMS, now it's a super convincing one. We have AI, they have AI. So we just have to use AI versus AI and just build our AIs to be better. This is a very simple app. So if you want to put your hands on it, please reach out. More than happy to share the private URL. Let me know what you think, your feedback. And also, if you want to speak anything AI, just let me know. More than happy to have a call with you, have a text messages. I promise you I'm real, and we'll see you soon.